everyone!
One more time!
I'm going to explain you how to avoid certain mistakes while mastering. Those mistakes are very common because people try to push too much the final level of the music because of the overcompression or overlimitation. You may think it sounds very good, but it's lacking some definition. So to detect those mistakes, it's very easy. Now I'm going to show you this method with the guitars track. I'm going to put the solo in the guitars track and then disable the solo button and listen to the whole mix. If you notice the level of the guitars are lower when the whole mix is sounding, it means you are overcompressing or overlimiting the master track. Let's hear it. As you see, there's no difference in the level of the guitars when they have the solo enabled or in the whole mix. So now we have to do the same but with the drums track. So let's hear if there is any difference between the solo and the whole mix. As you see, there's no difference in the audio level of the drums, even when all the instruments come into the mix. So in this case, this mastering would be okay, at least about the mastering level. So in this case, no overcompression or overlimitation. I'm going to show you what I have in the master track. And as you see, I only use these two plugins, G-Clip and the limiter L2 by Waves. G-Clip is freeware, you have it in the description, but the Waves plugin is not free. And now I'm going to make a very high limitation on purpose, so you will know how does overlimitation sound like. You will see a lot of difference between the solo and the whole mix. First with guitars. With just the guitars there is not too much difference, there is a little bit of difference but not too much. But now let's check how it sounds with the drums. And now you can really hear the difference. You can feel how the drums suddenly go down when the whole mix comes into the master. In this case I use a limitation of 10 dBs, which is a lot! So something about 2 dBs is what I recommend, not more. And 2 dBs not in the threshold but in the limitation meter. So here you have this method to know if you are overcompressing or overlimiting the mix. It's really useful, more than you will think right now, but it's really useful, it's a very pro tip. So please use this tip and don't push too much the level of your songs. So, well, I hope you enjoyed this video and you find this really useful, because it is, and as usual, see ya!